Hi guys, welcome back. Right, today in the Vice we have a lever door lock. It's got 5 levers in it. I have no idea the make, era or whatever. I have no idea. The key doesn't give me any idea of the make, except for it's made in England. And it opens the lock. I've put a plaster across here because there's a little slit where you can see the levers going up and down, so I didn't want to cheat. And I'll be using Andymac's tool set that he kindly made me. A few pick wires and several attachments for opening padlocks and such. And a lovely pouch that it all goes in, which is brilliant. Big thanks to andymac. And this will be my first lever lock with this tool. I've opened 2 and 3 lever locks with 2 or 3 levers, but just overlifting them. I've not done any more than 3 lever locks before, so this is a first. I have opened it a couple of times. I'm just hoping that I can actually do it now on camera and in a reasonable time. It's always a different angle when you're doing it. I'm gonna have to turn this around a minute, I think. Yeah, different angle. Can be a bit trickier than normal, I guess, with the camera in sort of in your way. I'm just feeling for levers. I can feel number 2 isn't set. 3 feels set. It's 4. 5 feels set. I felt a little movement then. Now a couple of times I've fallen straight into a false gate, which I don't want to do. I think they're all feeling bound up now. Slacken off the tension a little bit just to get over the last. Something's holding it. Come on. I think I'm just caught on a little lip somewhere. No, I dropped something. Right, let's try again. That was number 1. Number 2. Come on, baby. Got it. Got it. And we're open. Fab. What's that? I don't know. 4 minutes on the clock. I'm happy with that. I'm not going to turn it all the way around just in case it gets stuck. You can see that's open. Now I'll open it up and show you that all the levers are in there. If I can rearrange this camera without it falling over. Yeah, that might fall over. Got it on a little tripod. And it's not very secure. Have I got a screwdriver? Screwdriver. I had a screwdriver here earlier. How's that gone? My missus has been tidying up again. Screwdriver here, but I think it's a bit big. Yeah, it's too big. Sorry about this, guys. My screwdriver's gone missing. Okay, let's see if that'll open it. Yeah, that'll open it. There we go. Right. 1, 2. Throw it away. 3. Okay. Can we see the lock in the camera? Not really. Let's move this so I can try and show you. Right. Let's get the front off. There you go. So, like I say, it is 5 levers. One. That's got a new number on it. Oh, yeah, it's got number 1 on it. I assume these numbers that are on the levers do they tell you which place it goes in? So is that the first lever? Is this say number 2, or is it how high they have to lift? Now that lever looks exactly the same as this one, I think, pretty much. So if this says number 2, then I'm guessing that's because it's in position number 2. If it says number 1, I'm guessing it's because it is the same. No, it says number 2. So okay, 1, 2. I always wondered whether the numbers on the back were where the things go, or yes, it is. That's number 3. Getting dirt all over my hands. 3, 4. They all look the same. And 5. Yeah, right, okay, they all look exactly the same to me. I don't know if that means it's easy to pick, but it shouldn't take me too long. A bit of about, you know, hours practice and I could open it. So yeah, that is my first 5 lever sash mortise lock. Tune in for the next one, which might be a bit harder. Alright, and big thanks to andymac for the fab tool at an excellent price. I suggest anyone who wants to get into leather lock picking, contact him for his kit, which is very reasonably priced, 20 quid if I remember, which is brilliant. So yeah, thank you Andy, and thank you guys for watching. See you later.